Shall we start?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Vijay Bhaskar, shall we start? Okay, Abhishek not came. Okay, you may join. Sorfil Momin, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Just
Okay,
wait
Dr.
1 or 2
Pansam,
minutes.
yesterday we
Okay,
have
sir.
a first round. In the first round, just interaction only without much particular details. What we discussed is idea and its feasibility and practicability. And now, today in the second round, they will give some more drawings like I suggested some animations if possible. In case if you are using some software tools or hardware experimental prototype, some videos, today they will give the more extensive explanation.
Okay. Okay. We'll see.
Momin, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, you may share the screen.
Okay, sir. My screen is visible.
Yes, proceed. But screen is not coming, sharing is not coming. If you have PPT, just open the PPT file. Go for screen sharing.
Share entire screen. Share entire screen. Am I visible, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's coming.
yeah, it is visible.
Yes, sir. सर मेरे साथ और भी एक दोस्त है आई एम सोरीफुल मोमिन एंड माय दोस्त माय फ्रेंड इज सौर्या राजपूत तो ये कर लें।
Moment, could you go for this FI, the presentation, full presentation, full screen?
सर अब विजिबल हो रहा है सर
या हो रहा है ठीक है प्रोसीड शुरू करो
Good afternoon. I am Soriful Momin. I am from West Bengal in Murshidabad. I have done my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Coachbihar Government Engineering College. I am pursuing MTech in Artificial Intelligence from NIT Jalandhar. That's it. Mr. To
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shaurya Rajput, and I am a friend of Soriful Momin, and I am also pursuing AI from NIT Jalandhar. And in our this project, we have focused on one of the major problem we all have faced in while purchasing clothes from Amazon or e-commerce site.
yes, sir. In India, huge population here. In India, 100 customer, 60% were buying customer. In 160% buying e-commerce. Here, everyone buying their favorite shirt or t-shirt. Here, we got following sizing issue. Right now, e-commerce industry is 100 orders written in 40% sizing issue, and other country USA UA here is 15 to 25% every 100 order. In India, every community people and every community region here so many culture and sizing solution. We make a AI based model using artificial intelligence. Here, click a photo and render that image that's showing this is a person. First of all, this image detect it is a person. Then technically we marks CNN network. Here we detect from photo a person. It is a person. Then we age barrier filters using image calibration. Then we get a person size of waist, chest, and shoulder. Then we make a custom design shirt and t-shirt. Business model. And every year in India, 54,000 crore sale T-shirt market is very high. Target people 16 to 26 years, boys and girls. If a model is fitted that product, they will visualize that product, and if they want to buy that product, then we'll make the custom design T-shirt and fitted T-shirt in progress. Web design right now we are completing 60% around, and AI based module around 25%, website backend 20%, advertising 20%, and logo designing 30%. Raw material we are talk to right now to seller. Requirements. So can I show a short video for the better presentation?
Yes, yes, yes. Open the video.
Your device is ready to pair.
So this is visible.
Audible. Sir, audible है sir?
Yeah, it's coming. It's saying it's.
Sir, it's audible, the voice.
Voice is audible.
Okay, sir.
Momin, since you have switched on your microphone, use system microphone
Yes,
for
sir.
the
Yes.
audio.
Yes. Yes.
So it makes echo.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You're now connected to Boatstone Bridge.
No, now voice is not coming. There is no sound. Still, it is not coming. Momin, sound is not coming.
Sir, अब आ रहा है? Am I audible, sir?
Now okay.
Okay, sir. It is clearly visible, sir. So it is clearly visible and audible. Hello.
Yes, okay.
Okay, sir. थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
सर जैसे कि सर ये सर प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए किया सर हम लोग, और यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत वेब का काम किया। वो जो सर अभी वेबसाइट दिखाया वो एक का मेरा खुद का वेबसाइट है। थोड़ा बहुत किया, अभी पूरा क्लियर ही नहीं हुआ, हम दिखा रहे हैं। जैसे कि सर ई वेब हम तैयार किया हम लोग, और हम लोगों का जो सर मेन फंडा है वो एआई बेस्ड है। तो सर जैसे कि अभी जो मार्क्स ट्रेन किया, जो एआई का जो CNN मार्क्स है, वो हम लोग ट्रेन किया ट्रेन सर फ्लो मॉडल यूज करके। तो अभी तो जीरो पोजीशन में था, तो, मतलब फर्स्ट हम लोग यहाँ किया कि इमेज को डिटेक्ट डिटेक्ट कैसे करना है। तो यहाँ कुछ मॉडल हम लोग ट्रेन किया यहाँ। तो ये सम यहाँ पे इमेज को हम लोग ट्रेन किया, यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है दिस इज अ पर्सन, मतलब ई इमेज को हम लोग ट्रेन किया दिस इज अ पर्सन। यहाँ से हम लोग साइज निकालेंगे। तो अभी अभी इतना तक किया कि दिस इज अ पर्सन और दिस इज अ एनिमल, जो भी हो मतलब डिटेक्ट करेगा वो। इतना तक हम लोग किया अभी तक। और यहाँ पे हम लोगों का दिक्कत आ रहा है, गूगल क्लर्क में 8 घंटे से ज्यादा वो एक्सेस नहीं दे रहा है, इसीलिए हम लोगों का काम करना भी दिक्कत हो रहा है। वो जीपीयू, इसमें जीपीयू चाहिए, मतलब एनवीडिया का जीपीयू चाहिए। तो हम लोगों के पास ये लैपटॉप में एनवीडिया का जीपीयू नहीं है, इसीलिए दिक्कत हो रहा है काम करने में। तो सर अभी जो रिक्वायरमेंट है हम लोगों का ये रिक्वायरमेंट है, और जो गाइडेंस चाहिए सर, ये गाइडेंस चाहिए। गाइडेंस सर टेक्सटाइल एक्सपर्ट चाहिए, फाइनेंस मार्केटिंग नीडेड, एआई बेस्ड मॉडल डॉक्टर कुलदीप सर। अच्छा है, देखा सर इसमें सर का पीडीएफ में। और सर नीडेड जीपीयू फॉर पीसी और कैपिटल सर, यही है अभी इतना तक किया सर। तो कैसे बेटर कर सकते हैं सर, आप थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए तो अच्छा होगा।
Okay. When are you completed your presentation?
यस सर, यस सर।
Okay. Now I requested Dr. Panswami, could you proceed?
यस सर।
Yeah, actually, there is some Visual Studio kind of virtual measurement which is there right in the market, but not much in India. Have you gone through that?
यस सर, आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, प्लीज टेल मी वन सेकंड।
No, the Visual Studio body measurement by using that digital mode, which is prevailing right now.
Yes sir, right now I am using
Now you are using something. What is the there in the market right now? Have you gone through that?
लेंस का टाइप सर।
Laser type. Okay.
मतलब सर जैसे हम लोग विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं कि ये हमको अच्छा लग रहा है, तब ना हम खरीदेंगे।
No, your method is okay, but I'm asking what is the presently available, and have you gone through that detail?
As I can see, I have already read some triple IT journal. Here it is mentioned some details. It is possible. That's why I'm trying it. And right now, Singapore-based company is already invented it, and they will work it on this, and they will selling this type of e-commerce.
And Walmart also has launched G-Kit virtual fit room.
Yes, sir, but Walmart also right now working because they did not connect in Flipkart, because the app is it is now lengthy around 200 MB or 250 MB. That's why it is not coming through Flipkart. It is working another type of tailor room, this type of. This is not combined Amazon, not combined Flipkart, not combined Mantra, because of the app size. It is a big issue, huge issue. They did not connect. क्योंकि सर उन लोगों के पास रिसोर्सेस है, पैसा है, सब कुछ है, उन लोग नहीं कर सकते हुए क्योंकि उन लोगों का ऐप बहुत मतलब लेंदी हो जाएगा, वो लैग करेगा ऐप, इसीलिए अभी तक नहीं कर पाए उन लोग.
So in this, it is customized and all measurements will be taken virtually.
Virtually, sir. All measurement will be taken virtually and custom made, custom type will made it and then delivered it.
Okay. So what are the requirements for taking the virtual measurement?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जैसे कि सर लेंस कट में क्या होता है, जो नोज पॉइंट है वहां से मतलब काउंट करते हैं. तो हम लोग सोचा जो स्केलेटन है हम लोगों का, स्केलेटन से हम लोग पहले शोल्डर लेंगे, शोल्डर का साइज एडजस्ट करेंगे, फिर चेस्ट वेट सबका मतलब एक्सरे टाइप का वो मतलब इमेज प्रोसेसिंग होगा, कंप्यूटर विजन में इमेज प्रोसेसिंग करके पूरा पूरा बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर निकालेंगे. फिर वहां से हम लोग पूरा हाइट वेट चेस्ट निकाल के कस्टमाइज करके बनाएंगे.
No, that's what I am asking. Already, the Visual Studio, using the Visual Studio, the body measurement will be taken, and based on that, the dresses will be made.
Yes, sir.
So, how they are making, and what is the method of measurement they are making it, and have you gone through that?
No, sir. Right now in Visual Studio Code, I am using this only for web developing, because previously I am working in web developing around 6 month in internship. That's why I am also interested in web. That's why I make a web and Android app also needed for this purpose. And I have already done 60% web part, and I am writing right now. I am in trained up RCNN marks, marks using TensorFlow module using Google Cloud. I have already seen that, sir, right now a few minutes ago.
Dr. Srivas, you can continue.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Ponsami. Bhumin, fine. I want to ask one question. In your artificial intelligence model, what are the supply conditions? What you need to, what are the input conditions? Because to get some results, you have to supply that like custom-based inputs. What inputs you have to supply?
Yes, sir.
In the artificial intelligence, what are the conditions you are giving? Like measurements, what you are giving?
Yes, sir. First of all, right now I am working in first. This is human or not. In artificial intelligence, is detect.
Okay.
Then here is I train the model. This is my images, and this is train model. It is showing this is person.
Are you giving only image? Because image won't give the dimensions like uh, the physical dimensions.
No, sir. No, sir. First of all, in this right now I'm working. This is person or not? This is human or not?
Okay,
Then
for recognition.
next
Fine, fine.
next
I got the answer.
next we'll do it the skeleton of that man or person. Then
Okay.
we will height, weight, and chest. We'll recover it from that
No, no,
image.
shape is fine. I'm asking the size because shape and size both are important.
Yes, sir.
Are you giving size?
Yes, sir. First of all, I input three Excel or free size, free size. Then free size. Then my size is S. Then we'll put the free model. Then deduct the sizes.
Okay.
Then we will get the final size. Then we'll proceed it for the next development of product.
Okay, thank you, and we will contact you for further details if required for ministry in case it is nominated. Thank you. Next, I think Abhishek Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Abhishek. Okay, not Kumar. Abhishek. Okay. Could you start
सर
your presentation?
सर एक्चुअली सर आइडिया वो फेल हो गया था सर, उसके अंदर काफ़ी ज़्यादा लिमिटेशंस आ रही थी।
Fail
मैंने
means
आप यस सर, मैंने मेल किया था सर आपको।
okay, ठीक है. Means you
बट आई
you
कैन
worked
प्रेजेंट
out
सर,
the feasibility.
सर आई कैन शो यू सर व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशंस सर, इफ यू एग्री देन वी कैन प्रोसीड और डिनाई इट।
Okay, okay. What may as per yesterday discussion,
यस सर।
idea see every getting idea is okay. That's fine, but checking the idea to practical feasibility that we have to work more because you have to do more groundwork. What are the practical limitations and
यस
how
सर।
to control? Because here more controlling is required, like electronic controlling, some
यस सर।
sensors.
यस
The system is physical system is mechanical engineering. That's fine, but in addition to this mechanism, some controlling system like automation that is required for the practice because safety is more important here.
सर एक्चुअली सर द मेन सर लिमिटेशन इज सर इट कैन ओनली वर्क ऑन फ्यू फ्लोर्स सर, लाइक सर 1 and 2 floors only सर।
That may not be issue because
Sir, because sir, if the person is okay at the first floor, then he take up out from the second floor. Then the lift will go upward, not in the downward direction, because sir, it will totally depend upon the weight of the person. But if the person left the lift, then the weight will not be managed,
yes, yes, yes,
and the
yes.
lift will go in the opposite direction. And so that was the main problem.
Okay,
So
okay.
it will work only on the 2 floors. So that is
Okay, then work out on maybe some modifications,
yes,
maybe new
so that's what I
ideas,
want. Yes, sir.
maybe alternatives you may work out, and if any possibilities are there, and contact.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay,
फिलहाल तो
fine.
मुझे
All the best,
सर
Abhishek.
इसमें सर कोई पॉसिबिलिटी दिख नहीं रही सर। एक्चुअली मैंने खूब ट्राई किया था इसके बारे में,
Okay,
पर इसमें सर
okay,
कुछ
ठीक है वो आपने डिस्कस करो फैकल्टीज के साथ फिर डिस्कस करो डिजाइन
ओके।
वाले। Okay, fine, Abhishek. All the best. Next here, Deepak. Deepak, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Could you share your idea? Because yesterday you didn't came. Just state your idea and maybe some videos or what are the theoretical models. Just present it.
Okay, sir. My screen is visual, sir. Is my screen is visual?
No, no, not at shared. Share. Open the presentation.
Okay. It
Yes,
is
yes.
visual
No,
now?
no, yes, yes. No.
Yeah. Good afternoon to everyone. I am Deepak Singh. I did my BTech from Aviation Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Now I am pursuing my MTech from NIT Cylinder. This is idea. Ejector humidification dehumidification cycle for producing pure water and cooling generation. Next one is the overall. In the whole earth, around two-third part is the water. In this two-third part of the water, 97% water is the saline water. Only 3% is the fresh water. In these 3% of the fresh water, 66% captured in the glacier, 30% is the groundwater, only 0.3% is the surface water. In the 0.3% of the surface water, 87% is the lakes. So very less amount of the water available as a fresh water on the surface, and the demand of the water will be increases day by day due to the increase of the population. To overcome this problem, many systems have been developed, such as desalination of the water membrane-based technology. But the problem is the membrane-based technology is that it is very expensive. because it works on the principle of the pressure difference. After that, so many system has been developed, such as ejector cooling system, absorption refrigeration system. To use this cooling system, ejector refrigeration system, I make one new system such as ejector humidification dehumidification cycle for producing the pure water. And another profit of this cycle is that it works on the low grade energy such as solar energy. And second important is second advantage is that it does not use any type of moving part of the component, so there is very less wear and tear in this cycle. The objective of my idea is that to increase the desalination productivity and also maximizing the cooling generation. And next one is the plant layout and description. This is the our idea cycle, which is on which I am doing work. In this uh, idea, here the solar water heater is fitted. In this solar water heater, the water is heated. The hot water is then supplied through the air preheater. In the air preheater, the air temperature is increases. To use the air preheater, not purpose of to increase the air temperature. The purpose is to reduce the relative humidity, because when it passes through the humidifier, it can absorb maximum water content from the humidifier, and after that, the air will be passed through the dehumidifier, where the air will be start condensing, and here start the pure water or desalinated water. After that, I pass through the air in the evaporator. Small amount of water content also present when the air pass through the dehumidifier. That water content I will be extracted from the when air pass through the evaporator. After that, there will be adiabatic mixing. To mix the adiabatic, the purpose is to find out the comfort air condition. So our idea is in this work is to find out the more than one output from the single source of input, and the source is low grade energy. Next one, thank you.
Okay, Deepak, it's fine. Are you worked out on economics? Like, if it is a, if you see 1 liter water bottle, how much
Yes, sir.
cost like that?
This one, sir, till now I didn't work on the economics, but I think it will be less than cost which is available at that time of the water 1 liter cost. Definitely, sir.
Okay, go ahead of this economics, because in commercialization of any idea, economics plays a major role.
Yes, sir.
It's fine. Okay, fine, thank you.
Okay.
Any else? Here one more registration came. I think Vaibhav Sharma has not came. I think so. Vaibhav Sharma. Yeah, smart electronic control for home automation. He made. Okay, fine. Any else? Okay. Thank you, one and all here. Akash, I think he came. Akash Kumar. Nimish.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah, just you came like you, because you didn't register, I think so.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. If you have any, if you want to talk or discuss, you may proceed.
Sir, currently, sir, I'm not having
Okay,
any.
okay, yeah, okay. In future, we can project
Yes,
them.
sir.
Fine. Vijay Bhaskar. Okay, fine. I think it's completed today. We'll conclude. Okay, thanks one and all presented here. And based on your presentation, I want to give few inputs. Because here it's starting from idea to development. There are many stages are there. ISC and NIT Jalandhar, we organized so many programs, how to design thinking, innovation, and for new ideas, registration of the patent, IPR models, are etc. Go through, because those are videos are available in the NIT Jalandhar website, or you may also have some videos on YouTube's, so that you can get more clarity on technology development. Okay, especially beyond the engineering, like marketing, survey, or etc. It's fine. I hope you will do better, and all the best. Okay, Vijay Bhaskar, fine. Okay,
Thank you,
thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Amtav.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Bye. All the best.